Sleek toilet brush. Why choose between good-looking and hard-working bathroom accessories? This toilet brush set does both. A sleek design and clean ceramic holder bring the style, while a mohawk bristle pattern does the job. Absorbing dry earth disc. A natural stone disc at the base of the ceramic holder absorbs any excess water and helps to prevent odor and mildew to keep your handy brush hygienically clean. Style and high function. Finished with a beautiful bamboo handle, the long-handled toilet brush features a sleek metal body, tough bristles and a practical no-slip, no-scratch ceramic base. Easy care design. The ceramic base is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, and the dry earth disc should be switched out every 6 months to keep your toilet bowl cleaner smelling fresh. Replacement brush head. So easy to change, just pop the button, remove the old head and add the new one to your existing brush handle. Your bathroom will be sparkling again before you know it. Earth-friendly materials. Made from recycled aluminum, bamboo, ceramic, ABS and recycled plastic and supplied with minimal, sustainable packaging. Full Circle is a certified B Corp company, plastic neutral and ship carbon neutral. Top reviews from the United States. Stiff bristle in case you want that. Can a toilet bowl get scratched over time? These bristles are very stiff. Just a note, not necessarily a complaint. This works well so far, had it for maybe a couple of months now. I like that the head is replaceable and that the base absorbs moisture.